So today we are going to solve exercise 1.2 word problems of chapter 1. So the name of the chapter is knowing our numbers. So chapter 1 exercise 1.2 word problems we are going to solve, and the first question is on the screen. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third, and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050, and 2751. And we have to find out the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. So what we will do in this question? Simple, we will add all the number of tickets to find out the total number of tickets. So you will write the statements. Number of tickets sold at the counter on the first day. Then number of the tickets sold at the counter on second day. And then number of the tickets sold at the counter on third day, and number of tickets sold at the counter on final day. And to find out the total number of the tickets on the 4 days, you will add all the number of tickets and your answer will be 7,707 tickets. So you can cross check your answers if you have done this question. Now question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So in this question, try to understand what we have to find out. How many more runs? So that means he has scored 6,980 and he wishes to complete 10,000. So we will do here subtraction. So how we will solve this question using statements? We will write the statements. Runs scored by Shekhar in test matches so far 6,980, and runs he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So more runs he needs to complete. 10,000 minus 6,980, you will get 3,020. So you will write the concluding statement also. Hence Shekhar needs 3,020 more runs to complete 10,000 runs. So cross check your answer. Now question number 3. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? This question is also so simple. You have to find out by what margin the successful candidate win the election. So we will do subtraction. So here are the statements. Number of votes registered by successful candidate. How many votes he registered? 5,77,500. And number of votes secured by his nearest rival? 3,48,700. So to find out the margin of votes, you will subtract 3,48,700 from 5,77,500 and your answer will be 2,28,800. So you cross check your answer and write the concluding statement also. What is the concluding statement? Hence, successful candidate won by 2,28,800 votes. Now the question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and the books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together, and in which week was the sale greater and by how much? So this question has 2 parts. First of all, we find the sale for 2 weeks together, and then we will find in which week the sale is greater and then subtract to find out how much greater. So how you will write the statements? Number of books sold by Kirti bookstore in first week of June, 2,85,891, and number of books sold in second week of the month, 4,768. So sale for 2 weeks together. To find out together, we will add these both number of books and we will get 6,86,659. Now we have to find out in which week was the sale greater. So you will compare the sale and you can see the 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. So the sale of the books was greater in second week of the month, and by you have done subtraction. Here is the answer, 1,14,877. You can cross check your answers. Now question number 5. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. So that means first you have to write the 5-digit number by using these given digits, greatest and smallest number, and then find the difference. So greatest 5-digit number using the given digits will be 76432, and the smallest 5-digit number using the given digits will be 23467. Now you find the difference between these two digits and you will write the concluding statement. The difference is 52,965. So this is your answer. So this question was very easy. You all can do, and you can compare your answer. Your answer is coming same, I think. You all know how to write the smallest and greatest number by using the given digits. So here you have find out the difference. Now the question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws in a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So number of screws produced in one day are given, and you have to find out in the month of January how many screws were produced. So number of days in the month of January, first of all you must know 31 days. So number of screws manufactured in one day, 2,825. So number of screws manufactured in 31 days by the machine, you will multiply. You have to show the process, you will show the multiplication process and then cross check your answer. So hence machine will produce 87,575 screws in the month of January. So students, this was all about 6 questions of exercise 1.2 chapter 1. I hope you all understood. You can write in the comment box how you like the video or not. Thank you very much. Okay, take care. Bye bye.